Hi, I'm Chris Garbo with COC Aerospace. We are a company that specializes in support of aging military aircraft. Our primary focus is the F-5, Northrop F-5. The aircraft itself is operated in about 22, 23 countries. We have our teams of technicians who go in country and support these wonderful F-5 aircraft that have been flying more than 30 years. So we have developed a methodology of being able to design special tooling that incorporates the need to take something apart and then put it back together again. We're using very, very advanced metrology technologies like photogrammetry, which is the use of things like digital cameras to picture or photograph the surfaces of the airframe, and then transfer that data very accurately to three-dimensional surface software, or for lack of a better term, CAD models. So what that means is that we can take things like the fastener types and the instructions, the work instructions on how to put that fastener in, and actually program it into the CAD software. And then using another technology called video projection, we can actually project the data, the locations of the fasteners, and also the work instructions as to what to do to put those fasteners back into the airframe. We can project those right on the work surface. We actually use video projected colors and shapes to define the various fasteners that go in the airframes. And those particular shapes and colors projected on the surface allow the worker to go directly to that color and shape and know what to do. The E-drill is just a simple, lightweight tool that the worker can go and locate over the fasteners, and then the electronic discharge, which is high current electricity, actually cuts through the head of the fastener, and then the fastener can simply be pushed through the airframe. The other wonderful benefit of the E-drill, which we love, is how fast it is. It can take 10 to 12 fasteners out at the same time it would take someone to manually drill out one fastener. So that between the speed and the ability to video project which fasteners come out, when, where, and how, we can quickly disassemble the airframe. We then do a complete NDI, non-destructive inspection of all the subcomponents in the frame. We're repairing aerostructures 4 to 5 times faster than it would take traditionally, thereby dramatically lowering the cost of the aerostructure repair. Now, by refurbishing and rebuilding these components, we're able to save a tremendous amount of time, and obviously a cost savings of more than 50%. So we can actually go in country and not only perform the repairs, but with our video projection technology, we can actually do high-tech job training, aka job training and job creation. The training is so dynamic, and it's so real-time, with the benefit of having the work instructions projected directly onto the aircraft itself, right onto the work surface. Basically, we're taking 1970s, 1980s F-5 aircraft, which are supersonic aircraft, same performance envelope as something like an F-16, but the electronics and the radar systems in the F-5 fall way short of a modern fighter jet, of a 4-gen, 5-gen aircraft. We call it turning the cockpit into an iPad, basically taking all the steam gauges out of the aircraft and replacing them with multifunction displays, flat panel displays, glass cockpit, heads-up displays, and advanced radar systems, and communication systems, which enable them to fly an F-5 very much like they would an F-16. We're going on our 3rd generation here at COC. Family company, started in 1967. We've been doing this for a long time, so we're very familiar with the countries, the cultures, and the people. So it kind of adds to the romance, if you will, of the business segment we're in.